afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question. Question number 33. The question number 33 says one of the strong points of the multi-party system in Nigeria's Fourth Republic is dash. One of the strong points of the multi-party system in Nigeria Fourth Republic is dash. Now, when we talk of strong point, means advantage or merit of multi-party system in Nigeria Fourth Republic. Option A say government interference. Option B say wide political participation. Option C say wide anti-democracy campaign. Option C say the provision for a bicameral legislation. One of the main, when we talk of multi-party system or multi-party partism is a system in which there are more than two political parties recognized by the constitution of the land. That is multi-party system. So, and one of the major advantage of this multi-partyism is that there will be a wider political participation. A lot of people will engage in politics, will have access to different political parties of their choice, and so on and so forth. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.